You can now prescribe medication through WriteUpp using the CloudRX integration. CloudRX is a digital prescribing service that allows you to create and send electronic prescriptions to the CloudRX pharmacy, and they're then dispensed and dispatched by highly trained technicians anywhere in the UK and the Channel Islands. Patients pay online. It's really easy. They receive fast, flexible home delivery of their medication, and there's no charges for using CloudRX for you, no charges from WriteUpp for using the integration either. So completely free to do. So let's jump into WriteUpp and see how it all works. So first of all, you need to actually enable CloudRX for your WriteUpp account, and that's something a site admin can do. So ask your site admin to set this up. If you are a site admin, then you just need to head over to the main menu, go down to integrations and add-ons, and then you'll see the CloudRX box here, and you just need to click on configure. You need to enter the clinic code for your practice in here. So under add clinic details. This code is actually given to you by CloudRX. So if you are having problems with this part of the setup, speak to CloudRX. Just make sure you've got the right code. If you're still really stuck, just grab us for a live chat and we'll be able to see if we can help you with it. Click Save Clinic Details. This will then enable CloudRX for all of your WriteUpp users. So simple, done. Next, you and your users will need to add your prescriber details. So every user who wishes to prescribe via WriteUpp will need to register with CloudRX. And once they've done that, you've got your number. It's really, really easy. You just pop your name in here and your registration number with your professional body and click on Save Prescriber Details. And that will come up there saying the prescriber details have been saved. You'll see these on screen when you generate a prescription for a patient with the details sent to CloudRX every time that you place an order. So by doing this, you're now able to actually send prescriptions to your patients. So nice and simple again to do. If you've got your active patient or client up here in the top right-hand corner, you can then click on the little down arrow and click on Generate Prescription. So you need to enter all the information on this form. Mandatory fields are marked with a little asterisk, so you'll see those, but it won't actually let you continue unless you've filled those in. And then you can go down the bottom here and you can start searching for the medication that you want to prescribe to your patient. If you are searching for something and it doesn't appear in the search, it just means that CloudRX don't currently do it. They don't have it, but they are adding to this list all the time. So do keep checking back. You can always get in contact with CloudRX to see if they're going to be stocking your medication in the future. So you can just pop in, start typing in here, and you can see the cost price is shown, and also the pack size as well. And it will tell you if it's out of stock. So you can see that there, if there is something out of stock that you can't order at the moment. So you just need to select which one you want to prescribe. You then need to put in the dose instructions in here and also the quantity as well. The quantity is not by pill, it's by pack size. The quantity relates to the number of whole packs. Medication is dispensed as whole packs only. So just bear that in mind. And then once you click on Send Order, that will submit your prescription request to CloudRX, and then they will be able to process it. When the order is submitted, you'll see a message in the Files tab of the client summary. You can then see the prescriptions in here. And if I open that up, you can check out the order status. You can see that's still waiting for payment. So that's been sent to the patient and we're still waiting for them to pay for it. But once they've paid for it, you can then see when it's been dispatched. You can even see tracking IDs and a cancellation reason as well if the patient has actually just cancelled that medication and they don't want it anymore. So you can kind of track your prescription in there, and then you can also see all the other details if you scroll down. The patient will receive an email or a text message containing a link to the secure payment method, the payment gateway that they can use. If they click Securely Pay Now, you can see here they can go in there and they can add their payment details and pay for their medication. And then once they've done that, it will update back in the Files tab in here. And you can see in the status, you'll be able to see that's been updated. And that's it. Really, really super easy. So I hope that will make your life a little bit easier when you're trying to prescribe medication to your patients. And if you're stuck, as always, just grab us for a live chat.